People, all right, what is it, Wednesday the 8th? Sure looks to me like they're finished boring and knocking beams into the ground, but I'm not sure. Someone's screaming, I don't know why. Okay, so let's see what's going on today. Probably nothing. So what's the latest? Yesterday I went to that acupuncture school. I was a case study for the students. About 12 students in the room, and they examined me and evaluated me and then put 24 needles into me and did cupping on the back. And then after I left, they discussed the case. So it was an educational thing for them, and I ended up getting a free treatment, which was good. I still have the new computer in a box because I'm too busy to do anything with it right now. So no 4K video for a while. What else is going on? Still have rodents in my mom's backyard. No idea if it's a rat or a gopher or a vole or a mole. I'm still trying to figure that out, so I'm going to take a wilderness camera, bring it down there, and see if I can get some video at night. Got an airplane coming up in a second. Pretty noisy out here, but I think I can take off the earplugs. It doesn't look like much is going on here. So, much better now, I don't have to yell. Yeah, I think they're done with all the posts over here. Unless the vehicle is broken, but it looks like they're closed up and they're done. So it's freezing out here. It's absolutely freezing. I'm out here in a t-shirt. It's probably in the upper 50s, very windy, and I don't know if it's supposed to rain today. Let's check out and see what they've accomplished. Okay, so those steel plates that were sitting over there before, those have all been positioned over here. And I think what the next step is going to be the welding. And if that's true, then we'll have a good close-up view of the welding action, because I'm right by the fence over here. So they have accomplished a lot. Yesterday, none of this was out here. Remember, we just had the posts out here. So that's what they did yesterday. They got all these plates in position. And again, like I told you, this is going to be the support. So the sidewalk won't cave in. And the clarifier is going to go somewhere down here. I forget what he told me. They were going to dig down like 20 feet or something, or I don't know. Putting the boards in the truck. All right. Yeah, they did a lot. They really did a lot. Look at this. This is nasty, hanging over the sidewalk like this. What do we have over here? We got the dirt. We got the concrete or the mixture, whatever that is, the sand. I don't know why they have put it around all of them except this one. I guess they filled it in. Yeah, they filled it in this morning or yesterday. So all the posts are up. There's another airplane. Let's get the airplane. So all these plates are in. Everything is, yeah, that's close enough. That's almost end to end. Originally, I thought this had to be accurate to the to like the quarter of an inch or eighth of an inch, but I don't think they have to be that accurate with this, because when I was watching them position the posts, there's a lot of play in how they're putting these in the ground. So, except for that, nothing else has really been happening over here. We've got some inspectors down on the corner. I don't know. Originally, they dug up the sidewalk. And I don't think this project has anything to do with OHL. No, this is LAX. good. You know, it's amazing. I'm talking about cleaning up all this junk over here, and they're cleaning it all up. It's about time. This place is disgusting. Disgusting for sure. It's good to see this getting done. All right.
Everybody's getting stingy with the business card.
Okay. So we are going to cross over right now. Make sure I don't get knocked over by a couple cars flying down this road. And there is a lot of activity right now happening. Remember I told you they were supposed to dig down? They told me they were going to be digging down like 30 feet. Well, obviously they got the welding done because we are seeing some digging going on over here. Now that I took out my hearing protection. I don't believe that they're going to go 30 feet down all the way around the perimeter of the beams. I think they're probably just going to go in the center. So everything they told me was going to happen is starting to happen. They're digging over here. They put up the beams on the other side. After they weld those beams, I'm guessing that the next step will be putting the forms in for the basin down at the bottom of that big pit, and then pouring the concrete. So this is going to be another quick 10-minute video, maybe 11 minutes. I don't want to stay too long. Not much is happening. It's kind of cold out here. I was going to say, I'm thinking they're going to need some trucks because of all the dirt that they're digging, or they're going to leave it and pick it up later, but there is one small truck. One small truck for mankind. So maybe they're not going to be digging out a lot of dirt, or maybe they just don't want those big trucks inside here with all that weight, or maybe there's not enough room. So I don't think they're going to be digging the whole area, as I said. I think they're just going to be digging in one section. So let's zoom on in. Everybody wants to see dirt. You want to see dirt, you can watch this, or you can go watch what's going on with Donnie in the White House. So pretty exciting. Let's get him on, since he's doing a wonderful job here. Oh, there's an airplane taking off. But you can't watch an airplane when there is dirt going in a truck. Slow motion. That is so weird. I'm trying to record this, and all I see is white, blue sky behind me, and I can't tell when I'm recording. I just see a lot of reflection. Very weird. Okay, so that truck is pretty filled up. And he's on his way to move. I wonder if they're just going to move over, go up the hill and dump it? Hard to say. Is he going to take more? No, he's done. Let's go see if they dump this thing. I think it'd be a lot cheaper for them to start dumping the dirt and then come back and fill it up again than to have a whole bunch of trucks sitting around waiting. They might need all that dirt later to fill this place up. Yeah, looks like he's going to dump. He's going to do a big dump over there. Let me try to get him dumping his load. Maybe I can slow motion this one too. Come on. Is he not going to dump it? There it goes. Oh my God, the reflection. Tilt that baby. Drive forward. Well, I guess they don't drive forward, they just tilt it. Alright, that was fun. Not much more happening around here. A lot of dirt digging. And he's coming back. Let's go over and look at what's going on over here. Yeah, I'm not going to judge, but I wouldn't be surprised if when I come here tomorrow, all those, all that stuff in the planters by the fence that I was showing you originally is still there. This stuff over here, I wouldn't be surprised if all of that is still there tomorrow. I think they'll just say, oh, they're doing a construction job over here. We can leave it alone. But we'll find out. Okay, so let's go over and look at the big truck. This semi was here about an hour ago, and now he's taken off. This big flatbed. That's right, I have a camera. It's getting cold out here. It's cold outside, baby. All right, we got another airplane. We have one taken off over there, and we have another one taken off over there. So at least we got some good video. Some dirt. Some guys cleaning up. A couple airplanes. All is good in the hood. Forty. So I guess this is 40 feet down. I don't know. 34 feet down, 40 feet down. Alright, so I think I've got my 10-11 minutes of video, and I have absolutely no idea what else they're going to do here today. As I said, I would think the next step is going to be they're going to weld. I don't know if they're going to... They got the sand over here, so I don't know if this is going to be... if this is concrete, or probably not. So maybe they'll just do their welding. And then start bringing in the clarifier, or maybe start digging down for where the clarifier is going to go. That might be the next step. Alright, so not much is going on for the rest of the week. Got to get that new PC set up one of these days. I've got a ton of videos I need to record and get posted. Dog hurt herself this morning on our walk, so I gotta make sure that she's okay. And I think that's about it. So I don't know if I'm gonna be out here tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. Looks like this thing is not gonna be back here for a while. Maybe not at all. No, they've got some beams over there, so it will be back. But it's all packed up right now. They're closing it down. And remember, originally, I think we had 21 beams. Well, let's see what we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. So we have 9 beams. We have no beams at the back over there. So 9 beams are going somewhere. I don't know if they're going to be going down in the pit, or if they're probably going to be going down in the pit, I would think. Who knows? Alright, I'll be back tomorrow, maybe, maybe not. Have a good one, everyone. I'll be back. And there it sits.